Welcome to onewayflights.com, a new way of life. One-way flights isn't just about booking, saving, and earning from traveling the world. It's a state of mind. It's about having the financial freedom to go wherever you want to go, whenever you want to go, and not having to worry about your return flight because you're living life on your terms. Do you love to travel? Do you dream of exploring the world while making bank from multiple streams of income? Well, let me tell you, today is your lucky day. I'm here to introduce you to the ultimate lifestyle hack, a game changer for anyone who loves adventure and making money. Imagine this, traveling to the most beautiful places on earth while your bank account just keeps growing. Sound too good to be true? Stick with me for the next few minutes, and I'll show you how to turn this dream into your reality. First up, let's talk travel perks. Picture yourself lounging on a pristine beach, knowing you got the best deal out there. With our 110% price match guarantee, you're not just getting the best price, you're getting paid if you find a better one. That's right, we go above and beyond to ensure you travel smart. Earn points every time you book. And guess what? You can redeem these points for free travel or even convert them to cold, hard cash. Share your exclusive link with friends, family, anyone, and get paid. Plus, with our dedicated personal concierge, you'll have an expert planning your trips, making every journey a breeze. You're already traveling. Why not travel more for free? Now, let's talk business and income. Imagine having a business that's as mobile as you are. We'll show you 3 simple steps to automated income. Get your link, share your link, earn commissions. Easy, right? Earn up to 70% commissions per sale just by sharing your affiliate link. And don't worry about the nitty-gritty details. We've got all the training you need to make sharing a breeze. Sales funnels that do all the selling and telling for you. A custom app to run your entire business from, and viral content and marketing materials that make sharing this opportunity a piece of cake. We even email and follow up with all of your leads for you. That's right, a done-for-you business in an app. All you have to do is watch, learn, and do. Ready to take the leap? Become a paid affiliate and start earning today. The world is out there waiting for you, and so is your financial freedom. Join us now and start living the life you've always dreamed of. Travel the world, make money, and create unforgettable memories. This is your moment. Don't let it pass you by. Sign up now and start your journey to financial freedom and unlimited adventures. Remember, the best things in life come to those who take action. So take yours today. And I promise you this, it's much better to be on the inside versus standing there on the outside looking in.